Needing or using a lot of physical or mental effort.
Hard. Hard. Go on, give it a good hard push.
Frightened or worried.
Scared. Scared.
I was scared stiff.
To start using another thing or person instead of the one that you are using now.
Replace. Replace. The factory replaced most of its workers with robots.
Not sleeping.
Awake. Awake. I lay awake half the night worrying.
With no other person or thing involved or in between.
Directly. Directly. The sun shone directly in my eyes.
Illness caused by infection or by a failure of health rather than by an accident.
Disease. Disease.
Heart disease.
With a lot of force.
Hard. Hard. It's been raining hard all day.
Loudly. If you say or read something out loud, you say or read it so that other people can hear you.
Loud. Loud.
Could you speak a little louder, please?
Knowledge that you get from doing a job, or from doing, seeing, or feeling something.
Experience. Experience.
She has a lot of teaching experience.
Following the customs or ways of behaving that have continued in a group of people or society for a long time.
Traditional. Traditional. Traditional farming methods.
Anything or everything.
Whatever. Whatever. Whatever I say, I always seem to get it wrong.
Something that happens to you that affects how you feel.
Experience. Experience.
I had a rather unpleasant experience at the dentist's.
To get something new because the one you had before has been lost or damaged.
Replace. Replace. We'll have to replace this carpet soon.
One of the two soft edges of the mouth.
Lip. Lip.
He licked his lips.
If you experience something, it happens to you, or you feel it.
Experience. Experience.
It was the worst pain I'd ever experienced.
One of the body parts that a bird or insect uses to fly.
Wing. Wing. The eagle took off, flapping its wings to gain height.
Used to connect two words, phrases, or clauses when the second part adds something surprising to the first part.
Yet. Yet. Simple yet effective.
A separate area on a computer screen showing information and which you can move around.
Window. Window.
To minimize or maximize a window.
When someone studies a subject in detail or tries to find information about a subject.
Research. Research. Scientific or medical research.